Welcome to KEX, Construction Engineering. Today, we will be teaching you a big framing secret. How to build a strong shed with pallets from foundation to roofing. Now, let's move to site. Yes, on this site, you will learn many framing secrets and techniques of how to build this pallet shed and any kind of shed you desire. Now, let's start with setting out and foundation. Establish a reference line with pegs and string line. Note, this line should be longer than the full length of the shed. Give an offset of 4 feet from the beginning of the reference line. Mark, peg, and form another line, then square it at 90 degrees to the reference line. Note, this second line should be longer than the full width of the shed. Having done that, now, measure the actual length of the shed from the second line. In this case, measure 16 feet and put a peg. Go ahead to square this third line with the reference line. From the reference line, offset the full width of the shed, in this case. Offset 10 feet and put peg. Now, square the fourth line with the third line. Also square the last corner in the same manner. Now, measure and confirm if the setting out is correct before moving forward to avoid expensive mistakes. Offset 8 feet from both lines at width to establish the center across the length of the shed. Put another 2 pegs and tie a string line to them as shown. From each center point, mark and dig a 15 inches by 15 inches by 30 inches hole. Pour 2 inches concrete blinding. Fixing of Y12 rebars. Formwork size is 15 inches by 15 inches by 12 inches. Pouring of grade 25 concrete. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Install the embedded part into the fresh concrete, then level and align them to the grid lines. Ensure they all align with the center lines. formwork removal. Allow this concrete to cure for about 7 to 14 days before loading it. Now, let's produce the post so that we can start framing the shed. Using a 2x6 wood. Produce the rest in the same manner and commence installation. Plumb it properly before nailing firmly. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Now we are going to install some precast concrete cubes at 4 feet interval on this well-compacted earth. To support the floor framing, this is one of the framing secrets we used here. Frame and chain round with a double 2x6 wood. Then, use single 2x6 wood, inside at 4 feet interval center to center spacing. Ensure you nail all joints properly. However, I will not be able to nail all joints in this video in order to save time, so we can move on. Thank you. Another framing secret for this pallet shed building is that you have to ensure both floor and wall frame are done to fit in the various sizes of the available pallets for easy installation. Installation of floor pallets. Ensure that the floor pallets rest properly on the concrete and then nail all sides to the surrounding frame. Now that we are done with floor framing, let's start wall framing. Note: you can use different sizes of pallets based on budget and availability. However, consider the various pallets' dimensions when framing. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Now that we have completed the full frame, let's start the installation of wall pallets. Let's start roofing. Installation of rafters. Now, let's mark out the roof eave so we can use speed square to mark the plumb cut and cut off the excess. Marking and installation of purlin overhang. Installation of purlin. Installation of fascia. Installation of roofing sheet. Yes, this is how to build a shed using pallets. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply. Thanks. Thanks for watching.